Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. Thank you all for joining me, and I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We talk about everything here that is yarn and crochet related, and sometimes knitting, because I do not knit, but I know how. I do like it, and I purchase it sometimes and show people. And please don't forget to look in the description box. You'll find a link with over 1,000 crochet tutorials, all for you to enjoy. And I have anything that you could ever want to make, and multiples of them. And to my returning friends, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Let's get down to it. So today I'm going to show you another eBay vintage crochet haul, or crochet thing haul, or yarn vintage haul that has to do with yarn and crochet and stuff. Anyways, so I said I was going to start doing that every once in a while, buying some things off eBay that are like, because I love vintage and antique crochet things, and in yarn, and showing them. So I have a couple of, actually I'm excited about all of it, but there's a few things I'm super excited about. So let's do it. So I opened the bags, but I did not look in them. I like the element to surprise. All right, here we go. So these all came from eBay sellers. What do we got here? Oh, these were some vintage old pillowcases. My room at my house is pink. Oh my, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I could never do that. I mean, I could do it in like 4-weight yarn, but I could never do that in thread. That is one gorgeous pillowcase. It actually was a set of 2, and I paid $10 for them. Yes. Wow. Yeah, 10 bucks, $5 a piece. So I'm going to put these on my bed after I get them washed up all nice and neatly. She did say there was a stain on one, which actually I'll give it to my mom. She'll be able to get that out. But other than that, they're really white and clean. These are nice. And they're king size pillows. That's what I have on my bed. I like that. Isn't that beautiful? So that's what's on the edge of them. So it kind of hangs over. Well, I guess it doesn't. Let me set that over here. I can't believe these were not 10 bucks each. It was 10 bucks together. I like the shape, how it hangs over a little bit. That's going to look pretty on my bed. Yeah, can't wait to get that on there. So that's one thing I bought. What a good price, huh? 10 bucks. 10 bucks. All right, let's move on. I don't know. Oh, I think I know what these are. Ah, these were so cute. Check out these little vintage gloves, crochet gloves. So it says these are from the 1940s. It did say they run small, but I have a small hand, so we'll see how they fit. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. I do have a very small hand. I don't know which is the right. Oh, this is the right side. I see. So we'll see. Oh, they fit. Oh my gosh. I love them. Look at that. Those are beautiful. And they fit. I'm going to wear them. I'm going to be the one that's wearing these old gloves like they wore back then. But I'm going to wear them now in 2022. I don't care. I'll wear them. I'll go to Walmart with them on. I'll be the lady in the white gloves. That's just so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love them. And they fit just fine. I like the detail on them. Remember, these are from the 1940s, so they might show a few signs of some loose threads, but there's nothing that's knotted up that could be just clipped off. I could fix them up if there's anything coming undone, but actually they look like they're in really good shape. And again, I paid $10 for these. I sent this lady an offer. I think she wanted more, but she accepted $10. Yes, I love to do that. Aren't these beautiful? A little string up here. I can clip that now because I can see that's not clipped anything. There we go. Yes. It's kind of like mine gloves, I guess, but not exactly. A lot more detail. I think they're beautiful, so absolutely. I'm going to wear them the rest of my video. Okay, now I'm super excited to show you. I got 3 more things left. Okay. On Bagoday, right? I had to get some bags. These aren't working on my computer because it's not, the mouse isn't picking it up. All right, I have to take them off for the purpose of looking these up on my computer. All right, there it goes. So I got those, a pillowcase and these beautiful gloves, which I'm going to wear to Walmart, and people are probably going to look at me strange, but I don't care because I think they're beautiful. Okay. Now, this I have here. It's from the 1920s. Oh, the 1920s. Oh my gosh. It's a flapper style bag. Look at that beauty. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that beadwork. Now, I emailed her and I asked her if the back was supposed to be open like this or if it was supposed to have beads all around it, because when I looked at the picture it looked like it was not supposed to have beads, and she said she wasn't sure, but by looking at it she didn't think it was supposed to have beads. So I think that's just the way it's made. I think it's meant to be held like this, and then the back, you just don't see the back. I don't know, but no, I don't think there's any beads that are supposed to be there. I think that's supposed to be open. It doesn't appear that any beads have been ripped off. Oh, wow. This is from the 20s. And it's crocheted, you can see. Look at all the beadwork they put into that crochet piece. I'm going to carry this at Walmart too with my white gloves. So this was actually $37.50 for this one. Worth every penny. I don't care what people say. I will walk right into Walmart just like this, carrying my flapper bag with my white gloves. And if they don't like it, that's just, I don't care. I'll go, that's beautiful. Maybe it's too fancy for me to be carrying around. It's not really missing any beads that I can really notice. She said it was in really good shape, especially being from the 20s. That's beautiful. That is an excellent buy. Okay, favorite eBay purchase so far is this one. Definitely this one. But I'm not done yet. Gosh, that's pretty. Okay. I love those beaded bags. You know, I can appreciate the work that people put into those. So I actually got now these didn't have a date on them, but these were actually a set of 2. I bought 2 of them for $29.99 together. So like $15 a piece is what they were. And these are bags as well. Let's see what we got here. I noticed a little bit of oh my, look at that bag. Look at that crochet bag. Is that crochet or is that knit? I can't tell. It's lined. Look at those beads. So I noticed that it did have a few little flaws, but I think it's things that I could probably repair gently. It doesn't seem to be missing any beads. It just looks like the thread broke. Not really, I don't even know if it broke or if it just stretched in a couple little spots. But remember, these are old, so I'm taking this white glove off here. I love it, but I'm gonna take it off so I can see what I'm doing. And then she did name everything that was could possibly be wrong with it. So here's the lining. It's good. It's intact. It does have a coming apart just a bit there, but that is something I can tack up myself very easily. This just needs to be folded over and I can just sew it right back together. Otherwise, the lining is in very good shape, and you can see it has the drawstrings there. And then I did notice that there is a bead here, and then there was a rip in the twine that holds it together. So that, I think that's something I could probably fix. If you guys have any ideas about how I could probably fix that, you can let me know. Otherwise, I like to try to keep it original, but otherwise I can rethread it with a different twine or different rope and put these beads back on it here that came with it. But isn't that a pretty bag? Oh, that's so pretty. That's gorgeous. Carry that one around with me too. Really, you can't really tell. I'm trying to see. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. I love the colors of those beads. That's very flashy. Nice. And then this, so it was a 2-pack. That one was for 2 of them for $30. So that one was $15. And then this one, oh my gosh, it's so pretty too. Brown. Oh, man, I feel like I got a deal on these. So I do. So let's look and see how kind of shape this is in. I see a little bit of the thread has come undone there, which excuse me, I can repair that myself. I can tie it right over here to the spot where it came undone. Otherwise the inside is looking good. This one is not lined. I don't see really too many loose threads. Bead wise, there's so many, it's hard to tell if it's missing any. It seems to be it's a lot heavier beaded at the bottom than it is at the top. I think it's supposed to be like that. So if there was any missing beads, I wouldn't be able to really tell because it's really heavily overloaded. Might be missing. I don't know. I don't think it is really. She said she didn't think it was either, but you know, she did say there also that there was so many that it was possible. But I'll look it over more. And the string itself, I don't know if the string is original to the bag. It could be, but you know what? I don't really think it is. I think it was put on after the fact. So, but it's still very pretty. Wow, that's a beauty. See, it looks like it's missing beads, but I don't think it is. I really don't. I think it's just the beads are a lot. Like I said, they're really, really close together at the bottom. And then they started getting, at the top, they started putting them further apart. So I think that's the way it's meant to be. Oh, that's beautiful. Flapper style bags. Yes. Which one is yours? That's all I got to show you. Which one's your favorite? Now, definitely these bags take the cake for me. I love them, and they're all in really good shape, I think, for the age. I love the brown one with the gold. It's absolutely gorgeous, but like I said, this rope is not original to it. I might try to put some type of gold chain on there. See how that works out. One that's not going to snag up, of course. That's gorgeous. This one is absolutely beautiful. It's, you know, this cord may not be original either, to tell you the truth. It could be, but it may not be. I don't know. But anyways, I'll probably have to replace that. And if I do, I'll probably put a gold chain on this as well. Maybe, or a silver chain probably. You guys can tell me, gold or silver. That one is so pretty. And then this one, which was from the 20s, did I say? 1920s? Yes. I don't know. This one might be my favorite. It's in the best shape too, and it's so dainty. I don't know. I like them all. Which of these bags is your favorite? The purple? And the brown, which is absolutely brown and gold. That's absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I'll probably put a gold chain on it because that's not original. Or this greenish I don't know what you call this, greenish gold. Black and gold. I don't know what it is. It looks kind of greenish gold, I guess. Yeah, I'll put a different one of these on since it's broken. Because now that I'm looking at it, I don't think it's original to the bag either. That's okay. That's okay. Bagoday, make it all new again. Pretty, huh? And I love the gloves as well. They are spectacular. And I will wear them around because they are from the 40s. And then my pillowcases, which are gorgeous as well. And those will be put on my bed as soon as I wash them up. Nice. So that is my antique and vintage yarn haul. Antique vintage eBay haul. I love everything I got. Those bags are spectacular. This seems like something I can maybe start to collect. Like I said, I like to collect things, and they had a lot more pretty ones on there, but I just started out with these three just to see what they were like. I'm very pleased with them. They're all very beautiful. It'd be very hard to pick a favorite, but I'm gonna go with the purple, I think. Maybe because it matches my gloves so well. I love them. And plus, it's the 1920s. These two didn't give a date. I have no idea, but it just said vintage. Maybe antique. I can't remember, but I love them both. I love all three. I love everything I got. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. What a cool, cool haul. Those bags are to die for. So just think how much time someone spent crocheting those with that thread, bead by bead. They'll always have a good home with me. I will never get rid of them. I will repair them, put new handles on the ones that need it, and I will always take care of them. So they're in good hands with Bagoday. Bye, guys.